Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I sketch faces in my art style. So this is the reference photo I'm using. It's from Pinterest. All the photos I'm using today, they are from Pinterest, and I chose 3 photos. So I'm going to draw 3 faces. When I start to sketch, I start with a circle, then I try to shape the face, and then I will add some guidelines for the eyes. When I draw the nose, usually I just do a circle, and I know there will be the nose. And then I just sketch the eyes. I'm not doing those circles where the eyes should be placed or other lines that will help me. So I just sketch the shape of the eye. When I do the guidelines, they will help me to draw accurate proportions. When I draw the lips, I just go with the flow and I just imagine how the lips will look in my vision. I don't try to copy features from the original photo. So I'm going to transform everything in my art style, and I prefer big eyes and big eyelashes. This is what I really like. When I start, I do a rough sketch, but you will see usually when I draw the eyes, I tend to focus more and do more details. The main thing I do is just build up slowly everything. So I start with a rough sketch. Light one. I don't press on the pencil too much because I want to do adjustments and erase parts that I don't like and then redraw them. Now when it comes about hair, I'm looking at the reference photo, but I'm going to keep my own elements and transform that hair in my art style. I like to do a lot of hair strands, even though I would love to do bigger hair chunks, but in the end it's not gonna look like that. It's going to be a lot of lines and a lot of hair strands, like I said, but it's still my art style, so I embrace it as it is. This is the second reference photo. I wanted to choose a different angle, a kind of side view, so you will see me how I draw in this position. I also like her hair and yeah, I respect those steps that I used to the first reference. I start with the circle, guidelines, eyes. When it comes about eyes, I just draw my own shape and it's a cartoony style. I do character design, I don't do realistic portraits. So yeah, this is what I like to draw. And like I said, I tend to focus a lot on more details when it comes about the eyes. I want to talk a little bit about the drawing paper I'm using. It's a mixed media one. I got it from Amazon. It's not something very expensive. A5 size, 40 sheets and 180 grams. It's good for pencils, watercolors, but I like to sketch on this paper because I like the texture. I mean, I really like how the pencil is looking on this paper. Rough texture. I know it's looking different than a smooth paper. So I don't know, I just like this one. This is my preference. For now, I might change it later, I don't know. And the pencil I'm using, it's the one from Faber-Castell. It's saying Apollo 2325 0.5. This is the one I'm using. I want to say sketch as much as you can without overthinking. In time you will become better and better, and then just look back and see how much you improved. I'm pretty sure if you sketch more often or whenever you have some free time, you will improve. This is the last reference photo that I'm using. I chose this one because I wanted something a little different with her hair, and you see she's wearing glasses, and I can say it's my favorite one. I really like this one. I really like this face, how it turned out. I like her eyes and her hairstyle looking nice. Leave a comment and tell me which face is your favorite, the first one, second, or the third one. Also leave any other videos ideas in the comments. I would like to ask you if you sketch and how often you sketch, and I would be grateful if you like my video to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And also you can go on Instagram. I will do extra posts over there. I want to join some draw this in your style challenges, so I will draw more characters in my style. You will see more content there. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!